wanted to hear a fairy story.
Really?
Yeah.
We respect your security, Bob. All right, but you girls have to help.
All right, then.
In days of old, when nights were cold, there lived a fearsome dragon. And the king, he was in great distress, and the country spirits flagging. Until one day there came a knight who's handsome, bold, and charming. And he slew the dragon with his sword, and a smile that was so disarming. With a hey and a ho and a hey nanny no, and a smile that was so disarming. The king, he wished to know his name, but the knight said, do not bother. For the name of any knight said he is the same as any other. The king replied, my daughter's bed, you shall take your leisure, and be rewarded for your deed with a knight of exotic pleasure. Hey to ho and a hey nanny no, and a knight of exotic pleasure. You! One daughter, she has flowing hair, a maiden young and chaste.
You should have seen her last weekend at the truck stop when the soccer team showed up and their bus broke down. She disappeared for 3 days. Yeah, you know what? They had really nice balls.
And she sleeps all night in pale moonlight, naked to the waist. Really?
I feel so free.
That's disgusting. The other daughter, she is fair.
The fairest in the town. And somebody fell down.
Safety poo-poo. Funny, you said fair, not frightening. And she sleeps all night in the pale moonlight, naked from her small waist down. With a hey and a ho and a hey nanny no, naked from her small waist down. The night he spent many an hour behind the castle wall. But the ending of our story isn't what it seems at all. For in neither bed of neither maid was he repaid for his glory. Woo! Cause he slept all night with the king instead, cause it's a fairy story.